Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you the procedure to use DeepSeek API. Using the DeepSeek API is straightforward because it is compatible with other API or API format, allowing you to use the official API SDK with a simple configuration change as well. So what you need is basically you want to go to the official DeepSeek AI platform and sign up for an account. So you want to open up your respective app store, install DeepSeek on the search bar, and you want to go ahead and make sure to create an account as well. After you're done installing and creating your account, you then need to navigate to an API key section and generate a new secret code. So tap on the main menu bar, go to the profile section, and look for API. So after which, what you want to do is you then need to copy and store your key securely. Now for security reasons, you will not be able to view it again after the initial creation. You may need to top up your account before the key becomes active. DeepSeek recommends using the OpenAI SDK, installing in the using of VIP. You can set your API key as an environment variable or use it directly in your code as well. And then after which you can make your first API call, and this way you'll be able to use DeepSeek API. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.